Naghahanap ka ba ng investment property or vacation home dito sa Lipa, Batangas? Well, today, nandito po tayo ngayon in the Villages at Lipa to feature one of their most sellable units dito sa Sierra Village, ang Single Detached 190. If you're new to my channel, I'm Armand Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media. We have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, nandito pa tayo ulit in the Villages at Lipa, Sierra Village to feature their most sellable. When I say most sellable, ito po yung pinakamabentang unit nila. Actually, matagal po siyang sold out for a while. Pero right now, they're offering a few more lots for this. Actually, maraming corner lot for this model unit. Ang pinakamalit na lote nila is 150. Ang pinakamalaki or yung corner lot na nakikita ko na average is 189 square meters. Yung floor area po niya is 119 square meters. Meron siyang 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. Yung carport po niya, kasya po yung isa or dalawang kotse, depende sa size. Meron po tayong maid's room na may sariling toilet and bath. You have your living, dining, and kitchen. And meron din tayong space for your landscape garden all over. Kasi single detached po to, wala po itong firewall. Ngayon po, this is a very sellable unit. Lalong-lalo na at meron pa tayong promo up to December 2024, 10% down payment payable in 24 months, 0 interest. Habulin nyo na po yan kasi baka by next year, wala na po siya. So let's begin with our exterior tour of the house, beginning with our carport. Ito pong carport natin, as you can see, this is actually, by the way, before I proceed, actual turnover na to. Kaya po, pagpaumanin nyo na po, medyo maingay, maririnig yung construction, pero we'll try our best to cancel the noise using our softwares. So, as you can see, yung carport po natin, meron na siyang semento or meron na po siyang naka-ready na semento. You don't need to, if you plan to just move in, wala muna kayong upgrade, pwede na po siya. At least kahit papano, kapag umuulan, hindi magiging maputik yung parking ng mga sasakyan natin. Kasya po yung dalawa nating sasakyan. Siyempre, pag may konting upgrades tayo, baka mag-adjust siya, baka hindi na magkasya yung dalawa. Kasi siyempre, pwede pa tayong maglagay ng bubong, pwede pa tayong maglagay ng mga bakod, medyo magkukonsume yun ng space ng ating parking. Now, sa tabi ng ating carport will be open area or open soil na pwede natin pagtanaman natin landscape garden leading towards our porch, which is napakaganda kasi lahat po ng mga units dito sa ating Sierra Village as compared to Brook, kung napanood yung mga videos ko, wala po sila mga porch. Ito po, meron po siyang porch, tapos meron na siyang tiles. So, lipat tayo dito sa other side. So, from our area na open for your landscape garden, since detached po itong buong property sa gilid, you actually have a space na almost 2 meters from your house to the property line na pwede nyo pong pagtaniman ng inyong mga gamit. Kanina, nag-iikot kami, may nakita kaming bahay dito na SD119, in-upgrade na niya, and napakaganda po. Siyempre, nahihiya lang po kaming picturean siya, pero ang ganda po ng upgrade niya, talagang sobrang sulit. Kasi actually, if you are, etong house na to, this is perfect para doon sa mga upgraders or yung mga pamilya na lumalaki. Yung dati, isa lang yung anak, ngayon, 2 na. Tapos, yung panganay mo, tumatanda na. So, perfect na perfect po to. Dito naman po sa likod, meron rin tayong setback na 2 meters space all the way here at the back. Ang maganda po dito sa SD119 and also dito sa ating Sierra Village, meron na po talagang designated na area for your service. So, kung makikita nyo, meron tayong opening dito. Enclosed na siya, meron siyang bubong na pwede po natin gawing service area. So, ito po yung service area natin with our maid's room. So, ito po yung maid's room natin. So, sa maid's room po natin, Meron na po siyang sariling toilet and bath. As you can see, yung maid's room natin, kasya po is single bed lang. Kung medyo dalawa po yung house help natin, gagawin po natin siyang double deck. So dito po, meron na siyang sariling toilet and bath dito sa likod. Ngayon, let's explore dun sa other side ng property hanggang makapunta tayo dun sa ating carport. So, galing tayo sa ating service area and also maid's room. Nandito naman tayo sa other side ng property leading to our carport. Kitang-kita nyo, napakaluwag, over 2 meters of setback from the property line all the way to your house. Ang dami nyo pong pwedeng gawin, pwede nyo pong extend, pwede nyo pong taniman, pwede nyo pong lagyan niya ng gamit, tiles nyo po siya. Tapos na po tayo sa labas ng bahay. Ngayon, i-tour naman natin yung ground floor ng ating property. Bago tayo pumasok, kitang-kita po, meron tayong front porch na meron na po siyang tiles, tapos meron na siyang design. So, pwede tayong maglagay ng mga isang tables, isang maliit na table, isang maliit na chair, para lang din may upuan tayo in the afternoon. You can actually put your shoe rack here outside kasi meron na po siyang bubong or napoprotektahan po yung ating mga sapatos from the harsh weather conditions. Now, as we enter, ito pong pinto natin would be a steel door. And as we enter, kitang-kita po natin na napakaluwag po niya or napakaaliwalas po niya. Yung windows po natin is aluminum casement windows. Tapos ito pong ating tiles would be 60 by 60 white ceramic tiles. Ceiling natin is mataas, almost 3 meters in height. Tapos kung makikita nyo, this is metal deck po yan. So pwede pa po natin yan designan. We can put cove lighting, we can put drop ceiling, depende po sa inyo. Now, this is our living area or ito yung proposed area for living area. Right across would be yung proposed area natin for our dining. Kasyang-kasya po. Medyo maluwag po itong SD119. Perfect nga po sa bigger families of 4 to 5, 4 to 6. Kasyang-kasya po siya. So this is, kasya po yung atin 6 to 8-seater dining table depending on the bulkiness or the size of the furniture. Pero kasya po yung 6 or 8-seater dining table natin. Kung magte-10-seater kayo, medyo siksik na po siya. Now, starting here, all the way here is our kitchen. As you can see, yung kitchen po natin, very simple lang po siya. Because this is to allow the owner of the property or dun sa nakabili ng property na mag-design ng sarili niyang kusina. Kasi kanya-kanyang tao or kanya-kanyang individual would like to design their own kitchen. So you just have your basic kitchen necessities. You have your faucet, your sink, and you also have your cabinet. Now, dito sa ground floor will be the first full toilet and bath. So ito pong ating toilet and bath. We have your tiles, you have your sink, meron din po tayong toilet, meron na tayong shower. So tara, tapos na tayo dito sa first floor, punta na tayo sa second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Dito po meron tayong 4 na bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath. And as you can see, nagpalit po yung ating tiles. Ang tiles na po natin dito is vinyl planks. Ceiling natin, naka-gypsum board na po siya, hindi na po siya naka-metal deck. Tapos yung partition natin sa mga kwarto, gypsum board po siya. Ngayon, bakit gypsum board, Armad? Typically, kaya po nag-gypsum board yung mga developer kasi some of the owners gusto nila mag-modify ng sarili nilang house. Ngayon, kapag ginawa po nilang simento yan, ang mangyayari po dyan, magiging costly or magiging magastos po yung pagtitibag at magiging madumi. So at least kahit paano, ito madali lang tanggalin or madali lang baklasin, tapos madali lang ikabit or madali lang i-modify according to your needs. Now, simulan natin with the second toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Same na same po siya. Meron po tayong toilet, meron tayong sink, meron tayong shower, and then meron po tayong tiles. Yung tiles po natin, halfway lang po siya, pero painted naman yung remaining. PVC doors, tapos may ceiling na po siya. So ito po yung first bedroom dito sa second floor. This is the smallest bedroom here in the second floor. This is actually okay na po yung size. Estimate ko po mga 7 to 9 square meters. Kasya po yung ating semi-double or double bed. Meron na tayong 2 windows. And then meron tayong provision for our window type air conditioning. Meron tayong switches. Meron na rin tayong ilaw. Ngayon, punta naman tayo doon sa ating second bedroom dito sa second floor. This is a bigger bedroom, approximately mga 10 to 12 square meters in size. Kasya po ang full-size cabinet. Pwede po tayo maglagay ng double bed, pwedeng 2 single bed na magkahiwalay. Pwede pa natin lagyan ng study. Meron tayong 2 windows para may ample lighting na papasok. You have your window type aircon provision. Tapos meron tayong mga switches and also mga saksakan. Now, punta naman tayo sa 3rd bedroom of the house. Slightly more bigger ng konti. Mas mahaba lang po siya. Ganun ulit, 11 to 10 to 12 square meters po siya. Same, kaya po yung ating semi-double queen size bed. Double bed, dalawang single bed, pwede po siya. May provision na tayo sa window type. You also have your awning windows na aluminum. Tapos, meron na tayong mga switches and also mga saksakan. Pero ito po yung pinaka-favorite na part ko ng bahay, yung master's bedroom. Kasi, ito po yung pinakamalaking kwarto dito sa bahay. This has a floor area of almost or more or less 20 square meters. Kasya po ang ating king-size bed. At pwede rin po tayong queen size or king size bed. Makapaglagay pa tayo ng small study area. Makapaglagay pa tayo ng sofa. You have a lot of windows kasi nga po, ito po yung pinakamalaking kwarto dito sa house model na to. Meron na tayong provision for your window type aircon. Tapos, it doesn't stop there. Meron din tayong sariling toilet and bath. So this is the toilet and bath for the masters. Same na same po siya, slightly bigger. Hindi mo nyo po manonotice yung size po niya, medyo lumaki. You have your toilet, you have your sink, you have your shower, or your telephone shower. Tapos meron na tayong mga lalagyan ng soap. Tapos meron tayong provision for your hot and cold shower.
Thank you for watching our house tour for today. Kindly comment down below what you liked about this property. If you would like to see this in the actual, go on a site visit, or you would like to be presented online or face-to-face this project, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. We have our Viber, WhatsApp, and also our iMessage. You can also contact us in our social media accounts. We have our Facebook and Instagram. Now, if you're still looking around and you just like to get updated with the latest properties that we handle or the latest properties that will be launched in the South, in Nuvali, or in Lipa, you can join our Viber community. The link is on the description and on the comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye, guys!